Man, oh man, we've just been having all the second channel action. So on our last little second channel video, we got the Suzuki Samurai. We had to do some fixing on some travelall brakes, and we showed the travelall was running with a little misfire. I've got to get them plugs and plug wires swapped out. I'm tired of driving it like that. Of course, between the main channel, the second channel, trying to get the stuff going out at the other shop, as far as the house, and oh man, it's just a lot, guys. So a lot of this little crap always gets pushed off, and anyhow, we're gonna go do a little plug and plug wire action. So don't forget your old spark plug gapper, because we're gonna have to do a little gapping. All right, we're gonna have to have a strong gap game. We better just grab that too. How's that? Don't worry about my old man purse. So we got some stuff going on out at the other shop too. Y'all know, as I can, we're kind of getting some upgrades done out there over the next year or so, so that'll all be a future video. Oh, but luckily it feels pretty good today. I mean, it's got a nice little breeze. That sun's feeling good. Good day to pick up random scrap metal out the dirt. Hell, we gotta have a little sunshine in our lives too, you know what I mean? So my check engine light's been on. Yesterday it started actually flashing at me. I wiggled some plug wires, it quit flashing. Aaron scanned it for me. He said it was 2 and 7. That's been having the misfire. And on the way home, the check engine light came on again. So we're gonna do plugs and plug wires, and then if it keeps coming back, maybe we'll try to figure out if maybe we got a coil going bad, who knows? Now on these LS engines, it's real important to pay attention because you don't want to get your firing order mixed up. These plug wires were too long. Oh, that one just ripped apart. That's good. These things were like $18 or something on eBay. They were the cheapest ones I could afford at the time because I was super duper broke at that point. If you think that plug wire's in bad shape, you could be that horsefly. It ain't doing so good. Boy, I cannot get that sucker off that spark plug. Ah, that one ripped too. That's my fault. I shouldn't have forgot our plug wire pulling pliers. We got them right there. Oh, there we go. Figured that may motivate them off there. Now I do see AC Delco, I do believe. That kind of surprises me. I thought I'd put a cheaper plug in it. Them damn sirens are always going. Oh, get us a socket. I think she's our 5/8. Let's see if we can't cheat here and use the old wrist saver. Nope, she's lost forever. Holy crap, someone torqued those pretty tight. I was probably scared that spark was gonna get out of there. Y'all see that plug? I can't imagine why this thing may be running with a misfire. Wonder if they all look that good. Oh my gosh, she's non-existent. Surely I replaced these plugs. Maybe I seen they were AC Delco and I left them in. I don't remember. Man, I replaced them. Oh, holy cow, guys, that thing went flat. These are 1000% the worst plugs I've ever pulled out of anything, and I just drove this yesterday and towed with it. Look at that. I've got to find number 2 that we dropped, because his scanner said 2 and 7 were the misfires, so that means all of these weren't misfiring. Now, how they weren't misfiring, hell if I know. Yep, I found it. Actually, I do know. I mean, she's a GM LS. She don't give a damn. Oh, oh my gosh. Do y'all want to see the misfire? Look at that. Part of our spark plug definitely went through our engine. Ain't no way around it. Porcelain's missing. What in tarnation, guys? That's only half of them. My brain is like full bamboozled right now. I don't know if I put a plug on this thing that you weren't supposed to put on it or what the deal is. I've just honestly never had any plugs come out of a vehicle and look like these. And the fact she cleared her own engine lights definitely blowing my mind. We're gonna start up here at number 1 because number 7 was our other misfire one. So we're gonna save her for last. Uh-huh. Scanner showed no history of a misfire on number 3. Let me show you number 3. Do y'all see that? What in the French toast? We got 2 more left. Number 5 fell and I can't reach it. God bless America. I dropped 7 too. Use a little magnet here. Just everything plumb freaking worn out. Well, there you have it, folks. I ain't never seen no shit like that in my life, especially out of something running as good as that thing was. Well, hell, we get some fresh plugs in her now. She's probably gonna feel like she's got a turbo on her or something, guys. Honestly, I don't know what to do here. Yeah, I'm kind of concerned, but at the same time, I mean, what do you do besides slap some stuff back in her and send her down the road? I don't know if we've been getting some bad fuel and, you know, having some detonation, causing some spark plug eating situation, but I've never had this issue before, and I get gas at the same place all the time. She caught me off guard there. I was not expecting that. I thought our little cheap wires were causing our occasional misfire, but no sir, says the spark plug. I'm gonna gap our new plugs, which are guaranteed to perform 1,000 times better than the old 50%ers. Yeah, there's only 50% of it left there. I was just blindsided by that. I'm really freaking mind blown over this. Well, there she is. Sometimes you just gotta find the hole. I'm gonna go out on a limb here with an assumption, and my assumption is that we probably don't have a coil going bad. Oh no, in fact, we've got super coils. If you don't believe me, ask them spark plugs. These coils spark so good, it'll spark the end clean off that plug. Boy, today's just gonna fight me every step of the way. Now, she is supposed to have the shorter plug wires on her, and I never got another set. I ran them longer ones, so we're gonna go back with these little shorter ones now. Of course, we're gonna put our little boot protector. Those look a hell of a lot better not having the 4-inch lift kit. As you click it on, make sure to put all your weight on your left hand and pop your cover free. She clicks into place, and I'm just gonna get our other side caught up, guys. Now, luckily everything went together smooth. No other surprises, okay? Just one big surprise is enough for the day. Whoa, baby. Damn water was flying at my face trying to take me out. As long as we didn't get our plug wires off, hopefully we're not 180 out. that's what I'm talking about. Here lately, when you'd fire it up, once it idled down, it'd have a little mist and the mist would go away. She's definitely running better. Holy crap. I guess during them last 2 years as she just went downhill, I was so used to it steady declining that I don't know. Anyhow, we got her fixed up right. That's why I'm trying to quit neglecting some things around here. It's hard to do, but now that we got the second channel going, I can also make a little content out of it, so everyone's a winner. Everyone's a winner except for our little trailer brake controller there. Yesterday when I was towing, I noticed it didn't light up, like it wasn't helping me, and I hit the one button on it, and then we blew a fuse, so that's good. So I did a little digging around, and we got a bad fuse here. Now what caused the fuse to blow, I don't know, because it was lit up until I hit a button, and then it went, so I don't know if it's internal or if we've got something back on the trailer side. We're going to just start with seeing if we blow a fuse again. Get us a new one up in there. So we had two bad fuses, guys. This one right here actually supplies all the power for the brake controller. It was bad. And then the one for our brake switch is bad. Now the one on the brake switch, I've had that fuse go bad one other time. I think we've just got her right at her limit. No big deal. And this thing was lit up like this yesterday, but I noticed it wasn't working. And when I hit that, it blew this fuse and actually killed power here. I don't know what that was about exactly. That just sends a signal through this blue wire all the way back to our trailer. Yesterday I wiggled that connection. It was kind of trying to fall out, so I don't know if that caused it. I doubt it. But I traced that blue wire all the way from there to the front. We don't have no nicks or nothing. Everything's working right now, so we're just gonna go do some testing on it. And I bet we really don't have an issue going on here. We're just, you know, we had a freak accident, kind of like them spark plugs. I'll swing around and pick up my hot date. I told her I had to drive the travelall. She probably didn't know we were going hot rodding with the trailer on. She's definitely running way smoother. Of course, after y'all seen them plugs, I probably don't gotta try very hard to convince y'all that. Y'all already know. Can't do it. Nothing to kill a sexy vibe like someone greasing up the hose for you. Now luckily I got my TKO hand wipes by the Sweet Patina. She's always in the travelall. Oh, fresh new pack too. We got lucky those were in there, and we're also lucky we got the best hand wipe in the game right there. I don't know what that is, guys. Some grease or something. Someone booby trapped me. But if you want your TKO hand wipe for when you get your hand dirty, grabbing your hose at the car wash, just use that promo code on the screen and go see them at thesweetpatina.com. We got her cleaned up, ready to roll. I know what some of y'all are thinking. Y'all wanted to see her do the slow motion. That's mine. I ain't sharing, okay? So you can take them thoughts and toss them down the alleyway. We got her running good and looking good, and man, today's just going good at this point, I guess. Oh yeah, she's braking too. We got all of our brake problems fixed, so that's it. More good second channel content, guys. Be sure to check out the main channel if you ain't checked it out. I'm trying to crank stuff out on this channel too. I'm on the Instagram or the Patreon, and I will see you guys next time. But do not forget, sitting on your ass won't finish your project, but driving with a camera in your hand talking by the police officers will probably get you pulled over. Play it cool, guys. Play it cool. Whoop. Now they'll be watching the videos trying to pull me over. Hot damn, there's so much BS-ery. We had to start a whole channel for all the extras. Be sure to go check out Puddin's Fab Shop if you ain't seen that baby yet. Come on!